Hello, good morning. Welcome to other session of Oedipus complex and Oedipus Rex. Oedipus the king that you study. And we have already started, you have been familiarized with the background plus almost 100 lines in the first prologue, half part finished. Now Oedipus on the throne. Now our Creon, the former king, brother-in-law of Laius, and the present brother-in-law of our Oedipus, has gone outside to know what troubles the Thebes, the country. And what is the problem now they are facing? He has been sent by Oedipus to know the real truth from the oracle. Now he appears on the stage to report Oedipus. Oedipus was very patiently waiting for Creon to know the real truth of the troubles that the country faces. Why small infants die in the womb of mother? Why there is a very scarcity and famine going in the whole across the country? Why these people, young generation, are very afraid of living? Lot of problems and faces what Shakespeare says, like when miseries come, they do not come like single spies, but they come like battalions. Battalions, very, very troublesome manner. It comes one by one like. Our Oedipus is totally perplexed. Now Creon comes and enters. It is almost, above 90 lines. Creon comes, good news. Oedipus asking, my royal kinsman, child of Menosis, what message from the god you had been sent to the oracle, Delphi, to know the real truth. What is the problem behind our troubles? What did you bring? What is your opinion? What did you get from oracle? Our Oedipus asking. What message from the god do you bring us? Creon very politely telling, good news, my dear lord. Good news, my lord. I tell you, even troubles difficult to bear will end very happily. I know to report you, my lord, all the troubles that we face now will end happily later. That is the news I got from oracle god. If events lead to the right conclusion, if it goes in the right way, if it goes in the correct way, things will be rectified. No problem. I am sure I have been guaranteed by God. God means here Delphi, oracle, the prophecy, prophets like people sitting and telling the future. Now they reported, they guaranteed me, things will be okay in a very short time. Don't worry, my lord. Oedipus, what is the oracle? You tell me, clear the message. You just spill the things from your breast and tell me, what did they really tell you? What is the real meaning? What do you mean by that? So far your words inspire me in my confidence and fear. On the one hand, I am afraid of the future of the people or citizen of our country. Okay, that I know. But you tell me the real thing that make me confident to rule this country. Okay, report me. Our Creon very patiently, if you wish to hear the news in public, my lord, am I to open my mouth in public? All the people are now waiting here. How can you tell this is a secret matter? What can I tell you? Am I to publish it in the public? Or I am prepared to speak? Or we could step inside? Or shall we go to inside the palace and talk personally? Means what? Creon is somewhat afraid to open the mouth in the public. What really happened? So he demands our Oedipus, shall we go inside and sit in a private chamber or private room and we will discuss? Creon says, if you wish to talk to me in public, Oedipus, speak out to everyone, let all the people know. Why should we go to inside the palace? Why should we sit in a cloister? Why should we sit in a bedroom? Why should we sit in a private room? No, let all the people know what troubles our country. You speak aloud. Let all the people who assemble here should hear, should listen what is happening. You talk in the public, I am prepared to speak. You speak to everyone, the grief I feel, this citizen is greater than any pain I feel for my own life. In this special case, Oedipus is telling, in this case, I am just like a citizen of the country. Their problems are my problems, and my problems are their problems. I have no speciality. I am their king, that I know, I admit. But let all the people listen your words, what your God has spoken. Speak out to everyone. The great I feel for these citizens very greater than any pain I feel for my own. So I give much importance to the public. A kingdom has importance on the public vitality. These citizens or the people of the country are relevant. Their pain are very greater than my pain. So let them listen. Let them know the real truth. Speak loudly. Creon, then let me report what I heard from the God. Okay, I have no problem. I have no problem. I will tell. I will publish what I listened from God. No worry. I will tell them. Let me speak. What I collected from Lord Phoebus. Lord Phoebus is a real God. Here God comes, epithet of Apollo, bright and radiant. It is a different form of Apollo God. What I listened from God and the prophets, I am ready to report here. No worries. Clear orders to drive away the polluting stain the land had harbored, which will not be beheld. If he is nursing it, if there is a hidden problem to solve, nothing to worry. I am ready to reveal all the truth, what I heard. Oedipus, what sort of cleansing you mean? And this is a disaster. How did it happen? This disaster our country faces presently. What is the root cause of this disaster? What did your God tell? What did you get from the oracle? You tell me. Something you might have got from God, you report. What sort of cleansing? And this is how it happened, Creon, by banishment, underline banishment, atone for murder by shedding blood again. Creon reports, we have to find the person who killed our former king Laius. After finding, after imprisoning our murderer of our former king Laius, things will be okay. We should make a banishment, finding the person who killed our former king. That everybody knows. Actors do not know, but you people know. It was Oedipus who killed. It was this present Oedipus who killed Laius on the street. So Creon reports, God sent prophets told me, Apollo, God told me that to find the murderer of the former king and try to banish from the country to another desert island. So our country will be relieved. so that we will get happiness. By banishment or at all, murder or by shedding blood again. This blood brings on the storm which blast our state. Underline. This is the real core statement by God, Apollo, prophets, Delphi oracles, that blood, the blood of our former king lies now calling for our revenge. So that blood brings the storm. So the blood of lies caused by a murderer, and that blood now wandering here and here like a soul of our former king, and this soul with blood make a disaster to our country. So our duty is to what, me Lord? Our duty is to find the murderer of our former king first. We should find and put him in the prison. After judgment, we have to banish him from our country. And the one who, Oedipus, and the one whose fate God revealed, what sort of man is he? Oedipus is very perplexed. Oedipus asking, what type of man will be? What type of man he will be? Have you got any idea from God that who murdered our lives, the former king? Did you get any idea about the person? What sort of man is he? Crayon, before you came, my Lord, to steer up your ship of the state, Laius ruled this land. That you know very thoroughly. Before you becoming the king of this country, our former king was Laius. And who is this Laius? That everybody knows. Laius is the father of Oedipus. And this Laius, former king, went to another area of the country, and by which people report he was murdered by some dacoits and smugglers or thieves. It was the report given. But actually, Laius was killed by Oedipus. That we know. But this man, our Oedipus, does not know who killed him, who killed this Laius. Look here, this is called ironical statements. So Oedipus say, what sort of man is he? Once you becoming the controller of our Phoebus' state like a ship, before that our controller was Laius, the king who was murdered by some people. We should arrest them. We should make a judgment on them. We should banish them in future. What type of man is he? Oedipus, I have heard that you need not explain. Your former king Laius was murdered by somebody. That news I am familiar. But I never saw the man. I never saw the man means the man who killed him, Laius, I am not aware of. What shall so you underline? I never saw the man, Laius. Crayon reporting, our former king Laius was killed. Now the God is clear. Those murderers, he tells, must be punished. Means what? The people, the persons who killed our former king to be punished. Then Oedipus asking, how to find them? Is there any clues? I have been reported that your former king was murdered by some people. Who are they? I have not seen. Do you have any idea about them? You give me, I will ask my police people or force to go and arrest them. Have you got any idea? Laius was killed, now the God is clear. Those murders he tells to be punished, whoever they may be. Crayon reporting, God reports, or Apollo reports, Oracle reports. Those people who killed and murdered Laius are to be caught and punished. Then Oedipus again perplexed how to find. And where are they? Oedipus asking, where are they? How to find? In what country? Where am I to find and trace them of this ancient crime? Your former king was killed by some people. It was a former incident, ancient matter. And how can I go, present king, me, how can go and find such murderers? Is there any feasibility or is there any method to arrest them? It will be very hard to track. Underline means I think it will be very difficult to find the murderers. How can we? Crayon, here in Thebes, so said the God, underline, God reports, say murderers are living in our own country. You need not to go to Pakistan. You need not to go to Bangladesh. In our own country, we have, in Thebes also, these people who killed our former king is here in our kingdom. When lies here in Thebes said, whatso is found, what is overlooked escapes. Oedipus, when lies fell in bloody death, underline, when your former king fell in bloody death, where was he at home? Am I to ask him where he was really murdered? In this palace? Or outside the palace? Or on the street? Or under the tree? Or do you give me any clues? Where was he murdered? Oedipus asking. Or any other country for visiting he went that time murdered? Crayon. Yes, he was abroad, not in our country, outside our country. Your former king, our former king lies went out of the country, abroad, on his way to Delphi. Underline on his, what was his mission, what was his objective of the journey. He wanted to reach Delphi oracle again to know. Wanted to know how to save the country because I have so many problems that my own son will kill me and my queen will be married to him. That was the oracle reported earlier. So how to overcome this? Our former king probably might have gone with a personal matter to ask the Delphi oracle. That was, he told us, he began the trip, but he did not return. He went to out abroad with the aim of meeting Delphi oracle like, but he did not come back. He did not return, but he was brought home. He was brought home means what? His body was carried to home. Somebody murdered him. That murderer to be identified. That murderer to be traced, that murderer to be arrested, that murderer to be banished out of our country. They are still living in our own, in front of our eyes. They are here, maybe with you, maybe beside you, maybe inside this public, but they are living in our country, oracle reported. He was abroad but did not come back. Oedipus, was there in no messenger to companion? That king, your king lies, was not accompanied by anybody. Only he went alone. Do you mean like that? Companion who made the journey with him. If anybody accompanied him abroad, when this problem happened, anybody was there. Such people, if they are living here, they let them come. We will ask them what is really happening, what really happened. Witnessed this incident, a person who might provide me knowledge of man could see. What does it mean? Oedipus asking our Crayon, is there any witness or anybody living here who can tell me the real report how former king was murdered? Crayon telling, they all died, my lord. All people died except one person who was afraid and ran away. During this incident, those people who killed our king, that time the retinue, the courtiers among so many people were behind him, but one man escaped from the incident because of the fear. And that man, I know him. One man is there who was afraid and ran away. There was only one thing he could inform us with confidence about the things that he saw. If we call him here, he would say only one thing. What will be the one thing he can report? Oedipus, what was that? You tell me what he could report here. We might get somewhere if he had one fact. We could find many things if he possessed some slender hope of getting us hopping. Let him be arrested and come here. Let him come to me. I will get any clue that who and where and what really happened to our king, that we will ask. Creon, he told us. He already reported the matter. What really happened to our lives? He told us that it was robbers, underline robbers. All the public come to know that Laius was murdered by robbers. But not robbers, but Oedipus himself killed Laius. But those people the man who escaped from the retinue, from the group of the courtiers, reported our Creon and Jocasta that robbers murdered your husband. Robbers murdered our king. It was the matter who discussed. A gang of them, it was a dacoit group. There was a group of thieves that came force and killed him. Oedipus, how could a thief be dared to do this unless he had financial help from Thebes? Oedipus is very cunning. Oedipus asking Creon if he is killed by robbers, some conspiracy might have happened. Some people might have helped them with finance. Some money might have been given to kill the king. That may be the reason. So we have to make an inquiry in this regard too. How much financial help these robbers got from our own palace, that we have to discuss. So some people might have given them money, slender of going, financial help from Thebes. Creon, that is what we guessed. But once Laius was dead, we were in trouble. Underline Creon reports. Once our king murdered, all the control of our country lost, and we could not easily identify the murderers and the mission and who make a conspiracy. Nobody knows. We were in trouble, so we could not easily find. So what happened? The slender of forgetting that Oedipus, he told us it was robbers. That was what we guessed. Oedipus, when the ruling king had fallen this way, what bad trouble blocked your path to prevent you from looking into it? It was not an ordinary person who was murdered. It was our king who was murdered. That time you should be very cautious and to find the people who conspired against him. Oedipus telling. Okay, that we understand. It was the Sphinx. She sang her enigmatic song that forced us to put aside something we found obscure to look into urgent problem we now faced. Oedipus telling, then I will start afresh. You need not to worry. You don't worry about. As a present king, I will start afresh. I will start as a new thing. We will make an inquiry. Don't worry about. We will find the real murderers. I will make afresh, once again shed light on the darkness. It is most fitting Apollo demonstrate his care for the dead man, worthy of you too. So in the right show how will with you seeking vengeance for this land. We will take vengeance. We will take revenge. We will ask a question, who really killed our king? That is our mission. Present king, am I standing here? I will do maximum for our country. We will try to, from this moment onwards, I will put an inquiry on this matter. Who really killed our lives? Who really murdered our king? And who really financially helped the robbers? We will find. worth seeking vengeance on this land as well as the God, the polluting stain. What is the meaning of polluting stain? The stain of the blood caused by murders and lies. Blood is asking questions. This stained blood to be cleansed means to be cleared. I will remove the stain of this murder, of this blood from our country, not from distant friend or for myself. If anybody is out of our country, no problem. If it is a person who is from our own country, no problem. If it is myself, no problem. Really, he himself killed. But he is asking, even though I am the murderer, you can catch me, put me in the prison, and you can kill me and ask the vengeance. What does it mean? It is the model of dramatic irony. What is the dramatic irony? He does not know who really killed these lives. But the readers and the writers and the listeners and the actors and everybody knows. So he says, let it be the outsider. Let it be our own citizen. Let it be myself even. No problem. I will find. And I will take revenge on that. I guarantee you, the public and the people of Thebes, you listen, you take my word as granted. I will show you, I will teach them a lesson. This is an incident underlined, standing for dramatic irony. Whoever killed this man may soon enough decide to turn his hand same way against me and to kill me. Thus, avenging lies I serve myself. But now my children means my people, don't worry. As quickly as you can, stand up from these altars steps and take your suppliant branches. Someone must call the Theban people to assemble here. I today hereby declare, let all the citizens of our country assemble in front of my palace. I have to address them. What address? I must tell them how I am going to catch these people who killed our former king, our Laius, the former king. Let all the people come to my palace. Avenging lies, I serve myself to some way against me too. I serve myself, but now my children, as quickly as you all the people stand in front of my palace, someone must call Theban people. All the people come to assemble here. I will do everything I can. Underline, the present king Oedipus promising he will do whatever he can do. For what? Finding the murderer of our former king. I will do everything I can with God's help. This will come to me slightly successfully, and this will come to me successfully, else it will prove my common ruin. This time, reporting this match, Oedipus and Creon go inside. This time, priest telling, let us get up, and children, priest means priest of the palace, standing and telling, let all the people stand up, for this man has willingly declared just what we came for. What a person, what a king can promise you, already given by our king. So no need of waiting here. He will do justice. He will find the people. He will find the culprits who did this crime against our country. Don't worry. Who will send this oracle, come as our savior and our sickness. Priests and children, citizens, go away. This time, a chorus happening. You know what is a chorus? Group of singers. It is one of the characteristics of old tragedies, classical tragedies. Chorus will come and make a gap to join the gap between previous story and future story. It is their mission. They will report in a chorus, and a chorus has a particular style of singing, presenting the things what is already happened, and what is going to happen. So it is a feature, and they are singing songs like these songs like they ask parados. paradox. It is given in the paradox, line 151 to 215. It is nothing, not that much significant, but we go in a fast mood. Chorus, a group of people, no major characters now on the stage, everybody now went outside. So this chorus now singing, all right. Oh, sweet speaking voice of Zeus, you have come to glorious Thebes from golden Pytho, underline Pytho. No serious question will be coming from this area. This is in intermediary expression by chorus. Pytho is type a monstrous snake, was killed by Apollo earlier in the Greek mythology. My fearful heart twists on the rack and shakes with fear. Divine healer, from we cry our holy, and what obligation will you demand from me? A thing unknown, now renewed the solving people's immortal voice. A child of golden hope, speak to me. So they are in a group, shoulder to shoulder, coming right from the left to right and right to left. They are singing and making the public awareness what really happened, what is going to happen. This is the message by chorus in everywhere. First of all, I call you Athena, the immortal. They are appealing all different gods of Greek mythology, asking permission how to solve this problem. That is their mission. Daughter of Zeus, and your sister to Atmis, who guarded our land, sits of the glory. So Atmis is guarding Thebes as a country. Phoebus, and who shoots for you are their guardians against death, appear to me. If before you now ever driven off a fiery plague to whom a disaster, their countries even suffering from plague. In addition to several problems they face, they have plague as a disease. From the city banished they come to this time. I bear these numberless, my people now all sick. Chorus reporting gods, all the people of our country is sick. They are diseased. They have sickness, different types of illness, including plague. Our minds can find no weapons. How to control these miseries and difficulties? People do not have weapons. No type of weapons, neither physical weapons nor spiritual weapons with them. What God you have to give us? Of our splendid earth no longer groan over women crying out in the labor, get their relief from the living newborn child. That is already reported. Even newborn children, newborn infants in the womb of mother die. Why this is happening in our country? They ask different gods. As you know, by one day swoop away faster than with no one resist. Ultimately, what they chorus reported to gods, our city dies. Means what? This is an example of metonymy. City means our people die. City stands for people. Our people totally die. We lost count of the dead. We cannot take even the number of death. So many people dying in different countries, just like COVID-19. Corpses spread in pestilence with youthful wives. So many husbands die, remaining their wives are very young. Grey-haired mothers are there without children. Everywhere cry in supplication, seeking relief in agonizing pain. Their solemn chants, some old people are chanting so many prayers, but no God appears. Golden daughter, send your support when your lovely countenance. Chorus continuously singing. A revenue says, of killing who now consumes with charge on with the bronze shield of howlings. Let him turn his back and quickly leave this land with the fair following wind. Of the great chambers of Ambitry. Ambitry means goddess of the sea. Inhospitable waves of Thrace, for distraction does not come to mind. O you veiled mighty flash of fire, Father Zeus, underline Father Zeus, they beg pardon from God. Supreme God Zeus, with your lightning blast, let Ares be destroyed. Lycaonian Lord, all these are Apollo and Zeus, supreme different gods. I wish the arrows from the golden string of your bend bow with their conquering force would ring out champions of enemy, blazing fires of Artemis as well, with which she races through Lycian hills. I call the God who binds the hair with gold, one whose name our country shares, one to whom maidens shut their cries. Dionysius, different God, his radiance face, may he come us to flaming torchlight, our againsters, God dishonored among gods. So what does it mean? What was their mission? The mission of the chorus is to get some guidance from different gods to save their country, because their country is facing a lot of troubles. A great famine, starvation going on, plague like disease going on, children die, youth die, sick people, lots of people, so they cannot control their life. So what happened? Chorus demanded, oh God and Goddess, save our country. Like all the choruses from right and left, they are going and playing. This is the scene. In between, immediately after this chorus, what happened? Prologue scene going to finish, and again Oedipus appearing in a majestic style to address the public. This scene we will teach you, we will see you in the next class. Till that moment, all right.